Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp carbonara. Hi, I'm Joe with My Things to Do, and welcome to my channel. Let's get started on some shrimp carbonara. Well, the first thing you want to do is get all of your ingredients together. You're going to use a pound of bacon. I've cut it up into small pieces. It'll cook faster. I've got my shrimp in the bowl. It's already seasoned with salt, pepper, and 1 clove of minced garlic. About a pound of angel hair pasta. I'm using angel hair. You can use spaghetti noodles, whatever your choice of noodle is. Mine is angel hair pasta. 2 eggs we're going to use for the sauce, and a cup of Parmesan cheese that we're going to use for the sauce as well, plus some pepper that we're going to grind up. So let's get started with cooking. We're going to cook the bacon until it's done and crispy. We're not going to pour off the fat. You'll see what we do with that as well. It looks like a lot of bacon in the pan, but trust me, you're going to want it. Well, especially if you're a bacon lover like myself. Bacon's nice and crispy. And while this shrimp is cooking, because it cooks quick, it only takes about 3 minutes tops to cook your shrimp. But while that's cooking, let's make the sauce real fast. For the sauce, I'm whisking 2 eggs really well. I'm going to add a cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix that in there. I know it's starting to look gooey. And carbonara has lots of pepper, so let's go ahead and get pepper into here. I know it looks like a lot, but trust me, you're going to want it. And get that whisked in. Alright, let's get back to the shrimp. Well, my shrimp is done, and guess what? So are my noodles. So let's get the noodles into the pan with the shrimp. Alright, we got the spaghetti in the pan with the shrimp and the bacon. Let's just stir everything around real quick. Your pan with spaghetti noodles, shrimp, and bacon, and get it into the sauce. You want to get this mixed around. You don't want the eggs to cook, you just want it to make a sauce. And if you need to, you can add a little bit of the spaghetti water, which I think I will do. There you go, shrimp carbonara. Takes about 20 minutes to make, and that's because of the bacon. The rest of it goes by pretty quick in about 3 to 5 minutes. The heat from the spaghetti, the shrimp, and the bacon will cook your egg, so don't worry that you're eating raw egg. You're not. It's my thing to do today. Make it your thing to do too.